we are back in action. The last time we were there, we saw that lady going down the road. So maybe we can run and like catch up to her. That'd be so funny. I mean, very funny. All right, guys. So maybe we'll do that in the next video. I'm not gonna do any hashtags. 7, 9, no. All right. So you guys always want to hear my car, probably. So there you go. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Alright guys, so that move right there was someone in my class. Not my class, school. His name is Maddox. He does not like me, he likes my friend. Yeah, it's pretty weird. He got in trouble. He had to send a note. Stop, really? Thank you. Alright, he had to do a note to the principal because it was something, I don't know. Because he was messing with us girls, my friends. And I'm pretty sure we should go down there and run and see that girl. I just want to so bad. And I don't know if we're allowed. It'd be so funny now. Alright, let's just keep going, guys. Hashtag go if you tell me to go. 3, 2, 1, go! And push that notification button. I never say that in videos. Alright, let's just go. You guys want us to go. So fun. I'm just going to talk to you guys because it'd be boring if I didn't. Let's go. Let's go! I'm so sorry. Does that hurt your ears? Nice parking spot again. We are going to get out in the same place. And guys, I am not going to do anything. All right, we have to go back. Guys, let's go back. Let's go. We gotta go. We gotta go now. We gotta go. He just said we have to go. We have to go back now. We have to go back. There's zombie apocalypse going on. I'm like real. The zombies are like grabbing on right now. We gotta go. Come on. We gotta go. I mean, really. We gotta go. Come on. We gotta go. The zombie apocalypse. Turning back. Oh, I thought our car was done with. Yeah. Really? Hurry. Let's go. Whoa. Go. Now go. Come on. Let go. Sorry.
Gotta put it back where it was.
Sorry, guys. Let's go.
Oh my God, yes.
What?
Whoa! You're crazy, Rob.
I am crazy. Yeah. Let's go. Sorry for that interruption. Let's go.
Yeah.
Nope.
Mommy.
Go. Let's go. Bye.
Bye, London. Oh, see.
Truck is pulling up. Who's this? Truck pulling up. I want to see this, guys. We someone, we gotta go.
All right, you can end that video now. I'll just put that. Oh no.
Hey guys, I'm gonna put this straight. I'm gonna end this video right now. Okay, guys. Bye.